What if I told you you could blast away years of coffee stains without a single toothbrush bristle touching your teeth in just 3 days? The answer is this, the OCJOY Air Streaming Oral Cleaner. Now, this one has some fundamental differences from a regular water flosser or electric toothbrush because it is using the similar technology originated from the dental clinic in Switzerland. It is using air, cleaning powder, and water to really clean the teeth and gum at almost clinic level. But the cost of the machine is at a fraction of what you pay for a visit to the dentist. This could potentially just replace most of your teeth care products except the tongue scraper. I've used them for a week. I can say it is very effective. This unit is not quite a portable one, but the brand told us that compared to the professional equipment with the same technology, it is already quite smaller. Fortunately, there's a case for it. In a case, there are the manuals, the container for the powder, the container for the water, the nozzle, and the unit itself. There are also the AC power brick, the stands for the handle, and some spare nozzles. So this can be a unit for the whole family. There's a dedicated bottle for the powder. It is a 65 micrometer ultrafine mixed with some vital element like the erythritol. It is a food grade element, FDA approved and 100% deglutatable, which means it is effective for sure, it is safe to use, swallowing some of it won't hurt you. Putting every piece together is also very simple. The water tank has some magnets on it, so it attaches to the unit very easily. The water tank holds up to 150 milliliter of water, good enough for a 3 to 5 minutes cleaning session without refilling. Then the powder in the can, put it on the unit, and they say one powder refill can support 20 uses. The nozzle can also be put on the handle very easily. First, let me try to explain how it works. OCJOY developed a so-called fluid guidance nozzle. It guides the air, water, and fine cleaning powder into a soft, evenly distributed mist. Then it removes plaque, biofilm, and extrinsic pigments like smoke stains, tea stains, or coffee stains. This gentle spray covers a broader area of the tooth surface and does the cleaning without manual pressure. Many people, including me, uses either electric toothbrush or water flosser or use them both, but there are fundamental problems with them actually. What makes OCJOY different is the way it cleans. It covers area around the tooth surface that can be difficult to reach. It provides an additional way to manage visible residue, everyday surface buildup, and external stains while remaining simple and intuitive to use. So I have tested on my own teeth, but before that, there are some other stuff that are better for visualizing the results. As you can see, the spray from OCJOY is very gentle on the flowers, and OCJOY can remove the impurities on the quill egg very fast. It also performs very well when removing the sticky film on the tire. So I, as a human with real teeth, have tried it for 7 days. I've not used any toothbrush or flosser during these days, just the OCJOY 2 to 3 times a day. Now, to save you time, I will show you the result. You see, the areas are quite different than before. Many dark spots are now white and shiny. Keep in mind, these stains were there for so long that even brushing my teeth daily couldn't make them gone. So I must say, if I use them for a month or even longer, the result will be even better. So after using them this long, there are some features you should know and some thoughts I want to share. First, I think it is a well-rounded machine. If you are using it at home, it can basically replace the toothbrush, toothpaste, or water flosser. And realistically, if it is not the stuff that stuck at the extreme place between the teeth, OCJOY can still do the job of a string flosser. And for those people who wear braces, it is a lifesaver for them because you cannot really brush the teeth with the braces on. Although the brand told us that it is not trying to replace any real dentist, it is more of a home use, daily oral cleaning product, but it can at least keep your teeth healthier, which can reduce the time you visit the dentist. Then the machine has a pressure limit. You don't need to manually change the pressure very often. And it can detect the volume of the powder and water in the units. Once there isn't enough in them, you will receive a notice. After use, it can clean itself also. When you finish, you can press the button, then it will automatically clean the tubes, so it stays clean for your next use. Lastly, I think it does not hurt my teeth. You know, I have 2 teeth that are losing the gum. When the flow hit the area, it does not hurt. But with the water flosser, it really does, because the water flow is just too strong. Okay, so what do you think about the OCJOY products? Do you think it can help with your oral cleaning routine? Let us know in the comment section. The technology that has been brought from the clinic to our home is a great move, I think. So we can really enjoy the result at an affordable price. So if you want to know more about it, there is the Kickstarter link in the description. This is Will from China. See you next time.